Ready to ditch the old way of banking and unlock a smarter, more effortless financial future? Today, we're diving into how to create a Monzo account. First things first, if you don't already have it, download the Monzo app from your device's app store. Once it's installed, tap on the Monzo icon to open it up. You'll be greeted with the Monzo welcome screen. Tap on Get Started to begin the sign-up journey. The first step is to create your login details. Enter your email address €, make sure it's one you check regularly, €, and then create a strong, secure password. Once you've entered both, tap Next. Next, you'll need to confirm your country of residence. Select your country from the drop-down list and then tap Next. This helps Monzo tailor the experience to your location. Now, enter your mobile phone number. Monzo will send a verification code to this number, so be sure it's the one you have with you. After entering your number, tap Continue. You should now receive a text message with a unique code. Enter this code into the app and tap Verify. This confirms that the phone number is indeed yours. To open your account, Monzo needs to verify your identity. You'll usually need a valid form of photo identification, like a passport or driving license. Tap Continue to proceed with this crucial step. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. You'll likely be guided to take a selfie and perhaps scan a part of your ID document. Make sure you're in a well-lit area and your ID is clearly visible for the best results. Once you've completed these steps, submit your information. Monzo will now review your details. This usually takes just a few minutes. You'll receive a notification once your account is ready. And that's it. Congratulations! You've successfully created your Monzo account. You can now explore the app, set up your virtual card, and start enjoying fee-free spending abroad, instant spending notifications, and powerful budgeting tools. Welcome to a smarter way to bank.